as a major factor. Our reporter Joanne Leting spoke to them.
I'm Stephen Kuremururi, and I'm a businessman in this town and also operate matatus in this town. And we have already commenced our strike, as we had agreed yesterday with the matatu owners. And our issues are very simple. We want to go back to where we used to operate from, because at the moment our businesses are suffering. Where we are told to come, we cannot even be able to fight the COVID-19 because the conditions are very harsh. At the moment, we have no water, we have no toilets, and we have no offices where you can even put the thermal gadgets, where we can be able to control passengers coming into the vehicles and going out of the various stages. So we are pleading with the government, and we are asking that we go back to where we used to operate, because all the conditions were conducive, and we can be able to do good businesses there as opposed to where we are at the moment. So we are pleading with the county government to allow us to go back where we used to be. That is our plea.
Thank you so much, sir. Allow me to ask you, the county government, have you tried speaking to them on this?
We have tried several times, and we, from let's say it was March, we went to the meeting with the governor, and he said we give him 2 weeks so that he can decide on these things. We have been waiting, we have been calling his phone, and nothing has been happening. We have even sent our delegation through the Central Rift, but nothing has happened. So today we decided to down our tools so that our grievances can be heard.
What can you say about tomorrow? Will you consider operating from tomorrow if there is nothing that is done today?
Well, we are going to have a meeting after this, and we are going to decide if we are going to go on with the strike, or we can have a talk with the government so that we can have an amicable solution.
Just in case this continues for like a week, what happens to the people who use matatus most times to travel to town?
You know, our aim is to secure the health of our customers, the health of our workers, the health of our families and ourselves. So that is our main aim. So we are saying we are not doing this to punish the customers. We are doing this so that we can, our voice, we can be able to be heard by the government, and some measures, including offices, places that we used to work, so that we can get back to the town.
There were mixed reactions yesterday concerning the strike. Probably have you come to an agreement with other people who are opposed to the strike?
You know, we call the strike as town service. And there are some people who have been benefiting with the selling of stages. So they must be siding with the government.
Well, Brenda, that is the situation here in Nakuru County. As you can see, it is a very difficult situation as we speak.
Indeed, Leting, thank you so much. She spoke to some of the operators there earlier. Let's move on. The construction of the Likoni floating bridge has started with the projected completion set for November. Now, our reporter Tobias Chanji